So this is 1.8 question of NCERT Physics class 12th chapter electric charges and field, and now we are going to solve this. The question says 2 point charges QA is equal to 3 microcoulomb and QB is equal to minus 3 microcoulomb are located 20 centimeter apart in vacuum. What is the electric field at the midpoint of the line AB joining the two charges? ओके, तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का मिड पॉइंट निकालना है. If a negative test charge of magnitude 1.5 into 10 to the minus 9 coulomb is placed at that point, what is the force experienced by that test charge? So let's solve from question number A, right? So from question number A we have what is the electric field. So first of all, draw the diagram how things are working, right? So this is the diagram as the whole thing is behaving. So this is the diagram and this is QA and this is QB. Okay, and now what is happening that QA given that what QA is equal to 3 microcoulomb, or we can write it as 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and QB is equal to minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, right? So this both charges are equal and opposite, and the distance between this is 20 centimeter, that is 0.2 meter, right? So R is equal to 0.2 meter. Okay, now what is the electric field at the midpoint of this midpoint, right? So midpoint means what? So midpoint means let's assume this is QA, and this is QB, and this is minus 3 microcoulomb, and this is 3 microcoulomb, and this is the point O of which we are talking. So what is happening at this point O? The electric field at this point O due to QB is toward this QB, right? This, because this is negative sign, so this QB is toward this QB. What do you think? This QB is toward this electric field due to electric field on O due to B. Electric field on O due to B is in the direction of QB, and electric field due to A, electric field on O due to A is also in the direction of EOB, right? Because that is repulsion force, because that is positive. So the both electric field is going to be applied in same direction, right? So now what is the magnitude of this EOB? We have to find E net, right? So what it is going to be, because direction is known, so we can directly add the magnitude of this OB plus EOA, since same direction, right? So EOB we have to find. EOB is equal to, let's find this here because there is no place. So EOB magnitude is equal to K QB by R square is 0.1 square, right? And that is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9, or we are going to don't take this because actually the both are going to be the same, so we are going to multiply it by 2 for the ease of calculation. So K QA by 0.1 square, right? So QA and QB are going to be the same, as we have seen from equation 1, both are equal in magnitude. So EO net is equal to 2 into K into 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 0.1. So that is equal to 2 into 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 0.1, and that is going to be what? That is going to be, after solving this, we will solve, then this 10 will going to be up in numerator, and then 9 9 9 and 9 3 27 27 27 9 3 27 and 2, so 4 7 14 4 47 5 54. So this is going to be 54. So 54 into 10 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power minus 6, and 10 to the power 1. So it is going to be 10 to the power 10. So 10 to the minus 6 plus 10 to the power 10 is going to be 10 to the power 10 to the power what? 10 to the power 4, right? And that 4 is going to be Newton and Newton per Coulomb. Newton per Coulomb is the unit of electric field net, right? So this is the electric field net value that you are going to get. Okay, so this is the answer of first half. Then after that, the second half is for B. If a charge is placed at this point O, that is 3 microcoulomb minus 3 microcoulomb, the net electric field is acting here, is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power it is going to be 5 into 10 to the power 9, and that is 4, and means it is 5 point so this is 10 and this is minus 3. So actually I have done one mistake here. This is going to be a square, right? This is going to be a square, and that means if we are taking out here, so it is going to be a square, right? So that's why this question is going to be by my bad, this is going to be not like this. The answer is going to be EO net is equal to 54 into 10 to the power 54 into 10 to the power, there we are getting 2, so that is 11, and we are getting 10 to the power 5 Newton per Coulomb, right, per Coulomb. And if we are converting it to more general form, so it is 5.4 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per Coulomb, and that is our answer, 5.4 into 10 to the power 6 Newton Coulomb of net electric field occurring in this direction. Now if we are putting any other charge here, the charge is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 Coulomb, then the force that is occurring on this charge is F is equal to Q into E, right? So Q is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 5.4 into 10 to the power 6, right? So इसको solve करने के बाद we are going to get 8 15 15 30 50 60 का 0, 6 बचा हाथ में, 15 बचे 75 और आपका हो गया 75 and 6 means 81, right? So this how you can calculate, and after that we have two decimals, so we are going to take decimal here, and for 10 to the power 9 and 10 to the power 6 it is going to be 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 3 Newton, right? So force net acting on the given charge at O is 8.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton, and that is the answer, right?